I'm going to be installing the 8.6 drift button, I guess you could say. I ordered that online. I got it for about, like, I don't know, $4. So that's what we're going to be doing. So first things first, what you're going to need a pair of pliers, an e-brake button, and a car. Next step, you want to keep doing this. Just keep turning. And no, you cannot do this with your fingers. After you've taken out the e-brake knob, then what you want to do is take out the spring. This spring actually is what loads it so it sticks, but you won't have the spring anymore, so you have to take out the spring. You want to put in this, and it's like a very own Hydra e-brake, so you don't have to worry about pushing this in and worrying about that, so it's always pushed in. Now what I did in order to do it is this drift button didn't come with like threads already, so I sanded it down, I shoved it in there, and now it's like flush and tight and stuff. So really it just takes a bunch of elbow grease to get it in there, but I did, and I'll see you when I install it. This works for should actually work for every single vehicle there is, since every car has an e-brake. So what I did, like I said, I shaved down the stock one so I can put this in here like so. Perfect. How it works essentially is so when you pull up on it, you're used to having this spring which pushes it up and locks it in place like that. So without the spring, you have the freedom of just driving, and anytime you want to just throw it up, rip the e-brake, and then when you want to like park, push it up, let go, it will not come undone. This is definitely an easy install you can do by yourself. It takes like, well, besides the whole sanding thing, most of them actually come with the screws if you get the right one, but I think if you get the like right one for the car, it's like more expensive. I spent like $3, I guess. So yeah, this is how it goes. You lift it up and it's like free. E-brake, anytime you want to stop, push it up, let go. And another way to spice up your interior as well with the color. So if you want more videos like these of me installing things on my car and doing stuff like that, then be sure to subscribe and drop a like and comment, because for sure I will be doing more videos like this. Thank you. Have a great day.